Romania is the European country with the most critical need for blood donors. But at the same time, Romania ranks last in Europe on the number of donors list. Casualties, pregnant women, hemophiliacs, surgery patients. Thousands of people who fall victim to this daily dominate the public media, but still with no considerable effect. This is why, in May 2014, TV station Antena Uno decided to let Observator, its #1 primetime news program, activate its strongest tool, the TV screen itself. While following the local news for 1 week, the viewers realized something on their screens was missing: the red component from the screen's RGB colors. This simple and convincing metaphor illustrated the universal lack of blood.
Nu vă faceți probleme dacă nu mai vedeți roșu pe ecrane. E nicio defecțiune. Așa este viața fără roșu.
Spreading the issue further in social and earned media led to convincing results. 14 million Romanians reached within 4 weeks, an earned media equivalent valued at 1.2 million euro, an increase of blood donations by 80% within 6 weeks. But what no one expected, the government felt compelled to increase the 2015 budget for blood donations by 300%.
Să nu mai moară nimeni nici pentru că nu este sânge, nici din alte cauze în spitalele din România.
Acțiune continuă care în fiecare an va avea finanțarea ei.
Hundreds of lives saved by turning breaking news into groundbreaking news. The RGB News.